Fantastic location with views on the number 15 fairway of the golf course, plus a view of Keaton's Lake across the street. Very popular split bedroom floor plan with awesome sunroom/sitting room in the owner's suite offering golf course views. Open, spacious, one level, flowing floor plan with cathedral ceilings, skylights, gas fireplace, pocket doors, lots of ceiling fans and more. Large kitchen with breakfast counter bar, eating space with a true bay window and handy built-in desk area. Owner's suite has large walk-in closet, luxury whirlpool bathtub, separate shower and double vanity. The sitting room or sunroom can be an office, nursery, or flex room. Bedroom 2 and 3 with own bathroom and a pocket door to close off this wing from the living area. There is a whole house generator in case of power outage, heat pump updated in 2009, nice brick step entry, brick front accents and a paved driveway. Large 24x12 rear deck and a side-load 2-car garage. Move right in or bring your decorating ideas, sparkly clean but could use updating, priced accordingly. Close to the small lake, beach and 18-hole PGA Golf Course. The Woods Center for carry out or eat in after a round of golf, plus clubhouse dinners, sports lounge and Sunday brunch. Amenity-rich community, has 2 lakes for boating and swimming, 2 pools, community centers, parks, ball fields, beaches, marinas, tennis.